Hi everyone, so today I will show you the best way to bring back your pool water in good condition from green to blue. It usually happens in the spring, but it could also happen at any time during the pool season. We know you go on vacation, the pool goes unattended for a couple of days, and quickly the algae start to form. The good news is that Trevi has a very good solution. It's easy, it's simple. It's called the Trevi Gold Recovery Kit. It's only a few products that you put in your pool, and it guarantees that within 48 hours, your pool water quality will improve drastically. So today we're going to test it in this pool and see what happens. So before you start, it's very important to ensure that the pH of your water is under 7.2. Otherwise, it will compromise our results today. The water currently, the pH is at 7. So we're going to start with adding 3 different products without waiting. The chlorinating granules, the accelerator, and the oxygold. Then add the clarifying tablets directly into the skimmer. The tablets will dissolve quickly. It's very important to ensure that the pump is running so that the water circulation can happen. You let it sit for 48 hours and you'll soon notice a big difference. After 48 hours, you can vacuum your pool in waste mode or send the water directly to the street if you have a cartridge filter. It's also very important to do a good backwash or clean the cartridge to ensure that you remove any algae that may have accumulated during treatment. You want to start the season with clean sand or cartridge for optimal filtration. Also, don't forget to drop by our store with a water sample so we can analyze it and well balance it to make sure that your water is healthy, clean, and pleasant to swim in. The Gold Recovery Kit is simple, efficient, and guaranteed.